Hey everyone, it's Pam, and I have another quick video for you. Did you know you can collect emails in Canva now? Did you know that? I don't know if you knew that, but you can. You can collect emails because they have a form. A form. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the page that I created in just a couple minutes. And I use the Canva website. Just like one page. I didn't make a whole huge thing. But I did one page and it was super simple. And the form, um, it's used, you can use it. Like it does the job. Now, I have my own email provider and I love them. By the way, it's Trio. And okay, if you need to collect email, this is you can collect emails in Canva. That's all I'm going to show how to do in this video. There'll be other videos, okay? But let's see what we can do here. So I just had this, I put some words up in here, and then if we keep scrolling, here's the form, and then just another image just to make it look nice. And this is a Canva website, and so it has my Pam Allen, my Canva Pam Allen online. All right, so let's make one. You want to make one like this? Let's go. All right. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to go to, you'll be under create. Okay, and then you're just going to want to click on websites. You can you can pick any template, all of it. There's so many cool ones. I am just going to click on this, just a blank template, okay? And then what I'm going to do is, it actually could just be this one little page, I bet. So we are going to go to elements first. We're going to go down to the forms. And they have all kinds here. They have business, education, events, feedback, other ones. Like, let's look at the education. There's all kinds. Survey. Two statements are correct. There's all kinds of things. And what will happen is when people fill these things out, you will get to see what their answers are. So it isn't just, the forms isn't just about emails. There's all kinds of info that you can do. Like you can get feedback, you can get RSVPs for a party. Like you can make a little Halloween, a holiday party invite right here in Canva on a website. Put, cool little Christmas clip art, put in some images. You can put in a RSVP. Look at that. That would be kind of cool, right? That'd be really cool. Okay, but we're talking emails now. So another video. We'll do this another time. Okay, so let's go up to subscribe to my newsletter. All right. We're going to go right there. And then there's some space right here. So I'm just going to grab upload. Background remover. I want to add background. This is real super simple. I just wanted to show you how simple it is. So then we can go over here and see it has edits. Okay. So we can come over here and we can enter your email. There's settings, like we can't change the name. sign up to get my weekly tips on growing your online business. Something like that. Whatever you want, why you want them to sign up. Come on, Pam. There we go. There we go. And then we can make this white. Oh, we will change that to a green. No, that's too gold. Okay, and then the inside. We can do something like that. I don't mind that. Okay, so I I would like to change your name will be shared. I mean, I tried to find to where that I can change that. Like I'm not gonna share their name. Oh, why would I want why would I want that there? But I can't change it. But maybe they're just saying, because you're putting in your email, your name will be shared. Oh, Nick, sometimes you want their first name too, right? So we're going to come up here and go edit. And we're just going to do short. And we go first name. And I kind of like to put that first. So I'll just switch it up like that. Enter email, join the mailing list. I think I have something I want to put there. Yeah. I want to let them know what they're signing up for. Okay, and then we are going to edit first name settings, join mailing list, sign me. All right, and then we're going to collect names. And then what you can do is you can publish this. And I don't want it called subheading. It's coming from here. So let's see here. Email. Oh, I just have no patience, do I? Okay, email list. I do notice that there's something else. I'm going to edit this real quick. I'm going to go email list up here as well. Publish. Save. Republish. Okay. Right, now I just have one page. So let's see what that looks like. So all I would need to do is just give, someone this URL up here, and let's go ahead and fill this out and fill this out. Sign me up. It won't be shared. Thank goodness it said that. I was like, was I tripping earlier? It won't be shared. That's what it's. Okay, now, I would have liked it to do a little thank you, but hey, it's all good. Okay, now let's go back to Canva. Guys, I was not tripping. Look, so this down here, it says your name won't be shared. That's what I want, okay? But when you look right here, your name will be shared. So I wasn't tripping. But anyways, I got through all that. I just wanted to make sure. Now, let's see here. Um, okay. So I think what you have to do is you have to edit, and then what you'll do is when you click on the form, it will say responses. I'm going to remove all this, and you can link it to a sheet, so I would definitely do that. And there we go, my first name, and the responder, but what you want is their email address. So there you go. You can grab email list, and this will always be in your Canva. And my goodness, it's kind of cool. If I didn't have my awesome subtrayo, then yeah, this might be something that I could possibly do to collect email. But you're not, well, I'm not promising them a freebie or anything. I'm just promising, sign up to be on my email list and you get, weekly tips and tricks. I can see that that'll be, and then I can start emailing. So the next video should be about how to email them. Okay. So, because I have to look into that. What, can you email right from Canva? They have an email template. They have emails now. So let's see. You never know. So you'll have to watch my next video.